right?
Yes.
So to do that,
I have to go
to
back.
do that, so then okay, so auxiliary output, what's happening? So I'm confused. Why? Huh? Auxiliary output. It's working. Why it's working? Oh, okay, so auxiliary output 4. Oh, auxiliary output offset 4. I see. This is actually a bit tricky. So it appears in auxiliary output 4 as an offset. So
Oh.
yeah, this is. I think we should set it this way. From a PID out. Or is it 4? Auxiliary output 4, right?
Yes.
Mm.
Of PID output of 2, PID 2 output. And then instead of choosing offset, we should,
Choose amplitude
well, I think that's the
option.
only option. So I think we just leave it. It's kind of strange. So then it's kind of, I think, irrelevant. So, but you see, output is 2.67. That was the original value. 2.4. Yeah. So the signal is still not 0. I'm a bit confused. So if you put
Is that the oscillation amplitude? 2 point something or?
yeah, okay, let's put it back. So
Yeah.
let's see if this
Yeah,
works
turn
or
on,
not.
yeah.
Okay, so
Mm.
this still works, right?
Yes.
So I think should be the way to go because now it's manual. So this you can set this value, put manual. I mean, can you set it? Okay, so now it's actually taken over by
PID.
this PID, which makes sense.
Yeah.
Because initially it was like this way.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know. It was like this, right? So that means the value can be different. Yeah, I think offset is 2.4. So the value from output is 2.4, but oscillation amplitude itself is
9.
I think 10 times smaller, like something like this. So that's why. But now I think that's why you get like some of this as a value. So something weird was actually happening, some weird interaction.
Okay.
So we should not have this, like this.
Yeah.
And then, okay, so anyway, because feedback actually takes care of this difference. So now so to get desired value of like 9 volt amplitude, you need anyway 3.4. So we should actually
Manually
this.
put that 3.1.
Yeah. So okay. So let's save it. Okay.
3.5.
Okay. So then what we want to do is now we want to disable this
Yes.
because we want to actually put a fixed value now. So, but what's so we have some value left,
Yeah.
which is annoying. I don't know why it's this way. So to do that, I think we have to put 0, and then briefly turn it on, and then it becomes 0. I don't really like this behavior, but so then I think so now we want to control this value manually. So then now I think we can do this. So we can now we can change this value manually. So this will be our gain, right? Because if you put 1, you get 1. right? So remember, so now we want to control this value manually, right?
Yeah.
Without actually using the PID controller. So then we want to actually negative value. So we could actually flip the gain here, and we could flip the phase,
Yeah.
or we can put the negative value.
Uh-huh.
The same thing.
I see.
So I don't know which one.
Good.
So maybe
We can
let's
put
try
negative value.
negative value. So let's first take the reference one. So go to C4 and okay. So actually we lost that information already. So we have to do it again. So 155. So 152. 160 yards.
Okay.
And then we have to turn this on again now. And then yeah, this is way too many, so 200 is enough.
Oh, yeah, nice region.
Yeah, not so nice, but
Yeah,
we have
really.
it. So
Ah, yeah, we got it
stop
again.
it,
Yeah.
Then we yeah. Exactly, yeah. So, no, it's cursors. So in this case, I just use a cursor, and then
Start
again.
again.
And it's a little bit slow because it's 100 plus. Okay, so
Seems like the amplitude is reduced.
not really, just a scaling, right? Because it's
Uh-huh.
1/1, so it's not really reduced. So let's take one more. Maybe something like this is good because it's gonna be,
Shift.
not really shift, but it's gonna get broader. So maybe it's cursor like this. So we just want to place this reference.
One
Reference.
cube.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is good, like 7,000, right? Yeah. So then I just adjust this. Okay. Good. And okay, so then
7,000 is still
yeah, too high.
Too high?
Yeah. So we need like 1,000 or something. So let's do something. So now we put -1, and then do the speed.
This time it will be dissipating.
Yeah, it will be it should be broader.
Oh, so record.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like 5,600.
Mm.
So not a lot of change, but as you see, it's damped. So you can control this Q damping value by this gain. So let's see.
If I increase,
Yeah, like -5, let's say.
Then it will be more.
That should be more damped.
Okay.
Yeah.
It takes care of kind of
you
virtual sample, tip sample interaction or sort of thing, or what?
Yeah.
Kind
Yeah. Not a necessarily tip sample interaction, but you see, it works really well. So now to 3,000. So this is still not
not what I
enough.
Mm.
So we can
Eight.
It,
like -10, I think. I don't know if it's really proportional or not. You know,
Mm.
it should be proportional.
Okay.
So you can something you can check.
Mm.
And ideally, well, I think even frequency, resonance frequency can shift, slightly.
yeah.
And if the phase setting is incorrect, then it can shift a lot.
Hmm.
Because you know what we are doing is this, right? So
Mm.
if this is, you know, not like this,
Mm-hmm.
then you could actually change this component. So
Ah, okay.
frequency shift, yeah. So now it's 1,800. So maybe a little more. So minus 20.
Yeah, that's good.
So now we don't actually have to touch this.
Touch
That's
this.
actually very good. You know?
Yeah.
So.
Now,
Okay, so that.
is that some saturation?
Yeah, saturation. I think now. Okay, so. I think saturation of this value here. I think. Yeah.
Ah,
This is
so
completely saturating.
Mm.
So to avoid this issue, yeah, actually, before playing with this one, so basically, you know, we need to add more external damping
Damping,
signal,
yeah.
right?
Yes.
Which actually comes from this box. Remember, we have attenuator here, so
yeah.
you can actually reduce the attenuation.
Mm-hmm.
Then if you flip it,
Yeah.
Then-
check.
then I think you know to avoid. Well, I think. Then let's try. Because you know, yeah, you can already see this,
Yeah,
you know,
already.
big change. Yeah,
Faces
Yeah.
changed a lot.
yeah. So I think changing this is maybe the first thing we should do.
Yeah.
It's really, really
I
down,
see.
heavily down.
Heavily damped.
Yeah, like
We should-
433. So that,
We should
That's
increase
good.
this one first, and
yeah,
then
yeah, yeah,
maybe 5, 10
yeah.
is better.
So now it's so different,
Yeah.
and so we want to.
Q
maybe-
is already
Yeah.
reached Q.
Yeah, yeah,
already
yeah.
70.
Yes,
Very nice.
very nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very.
We don't need to change the hardware.
Yeah,
We can do it
yeah.
using the software.
So that means we can completely automate this.